So our next topic is hyperlink. With the help of hyperlink, we can go from one page to another page. So before creating hyperlink, we'll be going to our HTML folder. In this folder, I'm creating my file, and name of this file is index.html. Here I will be pressing shift and exclamation mark to get my basic code, HTML code, and this is also known as emmet. And in the body section we are creating hyperlink. Now to create hyperlink we use a anchor tag, and after that we'll write href equals to, and within double quotes we will be giving website address or web page address which we want to open. So I'm giving, I want to link this page to Google page, I want to open Google page. Whenever I click on that link, for that I will be giving http://www.google.com, and then close your angular bracket, and here you can write any text, save it and click on go live. Click on link. This has opened a Google page for you. Now it has another attribute which is target, which defines where we want to open our web page. It has different values like self, blank, parent and top. So let's see what is target. Target equals to, first of all I am giving parent. What it will do, it will open the link document in parent window. Save it and then click on go live. Whenever I click it, it has opened the document in Google page in same window, parent window. Another value for it is blank. So click on go live, and whenever you click it, it will open it in blank and new document. Similarly we can try self and top also. Next we will see types of URL. URL are of two types, absolute and relative. Absolute URL is the complete website address starting from http://. It is used when we want to link our web page with some other website. Like I want to link my page with Google page, I will write href equals to, within double quotes, http://www.google.com, double quotes close, angular bracket close, and here I have to write my text. Save it and click on go live. For that I made a mistake. Save it and click on go live. So whenever you will click on this, it will open your Google page. This was absolute URL, that means complete website address starting from http://. Now what is relative URL? Relative URL is used to link the page within same website or folder. Like if we are creating some website and that website has multiple pages, we want to link our one page with some other page, then we can use relative URL. In that case we need not to write complete web address, we can write just that page name dot whatever is the page name, we have to write that, and that will be the relative URL. Like href equals to, I want to link my web page with heading.html file, so I'll be writing heading.html. close the angular bracket, and here you can write any text, save it, and click on go live. So whenever you will click on this, it will open your web page which was in same folder. Instead of text, we can also use some image to link our document. For that, here we have to give our image address. For that, we will be writing img space src equals to, within double quotes we have to give image address. Now, if our image is located in some other folder, we have to give complete address of that image. And if it is located in same folder, we need not to write complete address, only the name of image and its extension. So my image is in same folder. This is my image. I want to make this image as a hyperlink. So I will go right click on image, go to properties, and name of the image is pic and extension is .png. So we will be writing this within double quotes, pic.png. Save it and click on go live. Now this image is not only an image but also an hyperlink. Whenever you will click on this, it will open your Google page.